check this out. We're half done with a Brock's Performance exhaust install on a 2023 Hayabusa. Here's the factory exhaust, and here are the factory bent bolts. I have one missing here because I took it upstairs to measure it because I need to order another one, or another set, obviously, but look at how bent these are. I don't know how you can you see this? What's the best way to show you this? It's like ridiculous that these are bent from the factory. Here, let me roll this one around. It doesn't look bent, does it? I don't know how to do this on camera. Every single one of these is bent. I have no idea how these don't snap off. No idea. It's hard to see, but it's fucking bullshit. It's completely fucking bullshit. Not happy, Suzuki. Gotta fix your production line big time.